Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas, and today I have a cool new video on 5 tips to build confidence. Let's get it! Now, first off, this video is more like an exercise because I read a book a few months ago by David Schwartz, The Magic of Thinking Big, and I figured I'd share this knowledge with you guys. And second, some of y'all might be thinking, oh, I thought this was a YouTube channel on tutorials and vlogs and unboxings and reviews, which is true. However, I want to make more motivation videos as well to help inspire you guys. And a lot of the stuff is to build your mentality and your mind, because that's a key asset in being successful in any business, not just video production, but any business. So I want to start dropping these type of videos to inspire, motivate, and help ignite so you can dominate 2018 and beyond. With that being said, let's get into this exercise. Step number 1, tip number 1 is to be a front seater. You know, back in school, some of us would try to be quote unquote cool and sit in the back of the class while the quote unquote nerds sat up front. Well, statistics kind of show that the people who sat up front actually gained a lot more knowledge and were more in tune than the people who sat in the back. They were easily distracted. So everything you do, if you want to build more confidence, you definitely want to be a front seater. Pay attention to things, listen to people, and you never know what you're gonna get out of it. Tip number 2, practice making eye contact. This is major key. Even I had problems with this sometimes. I was very shy growing up, and the more you practice making eye contact, the more confidence you build. Try this when you go to the grocery store, at the checkout lanes, when you're walking down the street. Make eye contact with people. And if you really want to take it to the next level, one exercise that helped me out was I used to look in the mirror, stare in my eyes for like 5 minutes. You'll be surprised at how much confidence you gain just by making eye contact with people. Like I'm making eye contact right now with this camera lens. Tip number 3 is to walk 25% faster. You know, you ever notice those people with that extra pep in their step and they're moving and walking a little bit faster because you look at him and it's like, hey, he's got something to do. Hey, he's doing things, like he's on a mission. Well, that actually brings confidence. You don't want to be slouching and you know, dragging along. That decreases your confidence, you know, especially if you got your head down, looking down, your shoulders down. You don't want to walk like that. You want to present yourself, you know, chest out, walk a little bit faster at a good pace. One of my favorite wrestlers was Stone Cold Steve Austin, and I just loved the way he walked because not only did he ooze out tons of confidence, but he was just a badass, you know. So if you really want to gain more confidence, try putting some extra pep in your step and walk 25% faster. Tip number 4, which I love doing, shouts out to my mama, but is practice speaking up. This is a big key in gaining more confidence from small stuff. So let's say, for example, you go out to Chipotle and you know the chicken's burnt. Well, some of us would just be like, it's okay, I'm gonna eat it anyway. Well, speak up about it. Be like, hey, I'm not satisfied with this. Is there anything we can do? That right there just shows pure confidence, and it starts with little stuff like that. If you don't like something that someone says, speak up about it. You know, you don't have to be confrontational when you speak up. Just speak your opinion. Everyone has an opinion, whether it's right or wrong. It's all an opinion. No one's ever really quote unquote right. So you might as well speak up. And last tip number 5, smile big. Yes, smile more. It's easy. You know, one thing I do when I go out, and even if I'm at the grocery store or I'm at the checkout lanes, I smile. You know, if someone's having a rough day, smile. It's something about a smile that really elevates one's confidence. And also a disclaimer, I was too lazy. I didn't feel like setting up my tripod. I'm using my Gorilla Pod that I do for vlogging, and I'm going gorilla style recording this video because I need to produce more content, and there shouldn't be anything in the way or an excuse in the way to be able to pump out content and feed you guys the knowledge I learned to drop it on y'all. So those are my 5 tips to build more confidence. If this video helped you out and you're gaining more confidence, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, write in the comments which one's your favorite. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, as well as, of course, tutorials and vlogs, unboxings, reviews, hit subscribe so you never miss a video. And as always, go out and ignite. See ya.